Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. So how are you my dear subscribers and my all friends? I hope you are all fine. If you today you will see in this video marvelous and stylish. You will see unique curves, beautiful fluttering short bob haircuts design, curves fluttering bob front back and sided balls bob haircuts and decent dyed hair colors trends in 2024. So lovely viewers, like my video, so don't forget to like it. Today video is very special, so friends watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any hair cutting and hairstyles ideas. If you want to get most beautiful haircut, then you must watch the full video and take a screenshot of whatever haircut or hairstyles you like. After taking a screenshot, you can save it to your mobile, and whenever you have your haircut or hairstyle your hair, by showing this picture, you can get your haircut from any beauty salon in your area. After watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how did you like our video, how do you like our channel videos, and what you want to see on your channel. I will be very happy to follow our comments, so friends will definitely comment. I would like to introduce you to my YouTube channel. In my video I give you brand new hairstyle, haircut and hair dye color ideas, which is about the latest trending haircuts, hairstyles and hair dye coloring ideas from all over the world that you can use to make your personality more charming. If you are a fashion lover and want to know the latest haircuts, hairstyles and hair dye trends in fashion, we'll see stylish older women fluttering bob haircuts designs and dyed hair colors ideas, beautiful blend bobs haircuts ideas. So I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new unique haircuts designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Watch my full videos and enjoy new or unique older women one-sided pose bob haircuts designs. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy new or unique bob haircuts ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next video. So take